So you finally got approved to buy your dream house, but can you actually afford it? Well, this time we got 90 seconds, so let's jump into it. Many of y'all are on a journey to becoming homeowners and investors, which is great, but always remember this. There is a huge difference between eligibility and affordability. Eligibility means your income, credit, and equity meets the program guidelines you apply for. A loan officer will issue you a pre-approval letter and now you're ready to go shop for a property. But think about affordability. Even though you got pre-approved, you got to ask yourself before you sign a contract, can you actually afford the property? And this is because lenders qualify you based on your gross income, but you pay your bills off your net income, which is after taxes. So here's an example. You make $60,000 a year or about $5,000 a month. The max your new mortgage payments plus the minimum payments reported in the credit report cannot exceed $2,500. This will put your DTI at 50%, but in reality, you're more at like 70% DTI if you base it off your after-tax income. Lenders don't include your childcare expenses, food, gas, car insurance, cell phone, utilities, or any other bill you pay that's not reported to your credit report. Basically, it's out of sight, out of mind for lenders. But if you truly understand the difference between eligibility and affordability, then you'll make wise decisions while you're on your journey of homeownership or investing. It's easy to get debt to purchase real estate, but it's so much easier to lose it all just as fast. Don't be house rich and cash poor. Follow for more credit tips.